All right, it is 10 o'clock at night and we are at the Fjallsárlón something glacier. So you can see it is still bright out. And well, so this is kind of incredible. The whole land of the midnight sun thing is just, it's actually kind of special to kind of a sense. Something you just don't, if you're not used to, it is shocking. See this glacier, it's just pouring through these mountains, just created a flow, just so powerful, just carves this rock, does whatever it wants with it. It's truly impressive. This is impressive. Something that we just don't get to experience, see. Absolutely incredible.
Perfect.
Kyle's wondering if we can fit anything else in today. We're on, is this stop 4? Stop 5, we have one more. That's the problem when you adventure this hard. Sometimes it just all blends together. All right, we are just wrapping up our glacier adventure. We got about 0.8 miles with about 100 so feet of gain. It is a short, easy, beautiful little trail worth every step. Make sure you come out. If you're on the way here, you might as well take you about 20-30 minutes. Just knock it out. Right now it's getting close to 10:30.
It is, yeah, 10:40.
It's 10:40
p.m.
5th stop down, 6 to go. Still light out. We are going to maximize daylight. Let's do it.